Hey guys, it's Josh from Skinner Farms coming back at you. We're in the house today. It's a little nasty outside. It's like 30 degrees today or something. Felt like 27 or something. So it's windy and cold and nasty. So I didn't do much outside today. Brought some firewood up in the woods. Whenever it was. Anyway, today we're going to show you a little chainsaw action. I filmed it the other day, so we'll get that footage going for you here in just a second. One of my best friends sitting right there. Got another one sitting right here. MS-170 great trim saw. But anytime I run one, I'll let it warm up for about 2 minutes. Got to end that railroad tie off. Still in a little hole right there. Just for look. I've got them all placed in. I don't know if you can see it right here. Corner ain't overlap, but it's not gonna hurt anything. Everything tomorrow ain't going nowhere. Farm how to run a chainsaw. Safety first.
Like a jigsaw puzzle. Like a jigsaw puzzle. I apologize if you heard me sniffing. I was apologizing if they heard me sniffing. My nose was running.
They're put together. They're both 8 foot by 8 foot squares. They're 8.5, roughly 9, somewhere around in there. I didn't really measure them. Just kind of do a tape up right halfway. We'll start getting some sticks and stuff gathered up. We'll throw in there and we'll bring them back and show you that here in a minute.
See, the blade's not moving. Now. I'll help you put the tree stuff in there.
I got cut some more rips that'll fit in there. I'm gonna put cement down.
Okay. The dead stuff that's long, we're going to get rid of that. But it's really pretty over here when everything's screened up and all the dead stuff's gone. It's really beautiful out here. In the summertime when all the leaves are on the trees, and you can see like out that way. When it's like twilight, they look like mountains. They're so big and full. It's really beautiful out here. And I apologize for my camera work. It will get better. Oh, sorry. Right there, Josh. Oh, I'm not cutting off the thing.
I'm sure she told you. Yeah, I know you watched me cut that tree down, but it was dead.
Yeah.
Down here, look back to that hole again. This is all rock and dirt.
I was telling them about how pretty it was here when all that gray stuff's gone and the leaves are all on the trees in the back pasture. How at twilight, at sunset, it almost looks like mountains. With the sunset, it's so beautiful back here.
And that grapes back here. I think you showed them that last year too.
Yeah, we've got a lot to do to the property, but it's just a real pretty place. Even with all the yucky stuff, there's so much. We'll be back.
Alright guys, hope you liked that video. Thanks again to our servicemen and women for keeping Old Glory Highland Farm and keeping this country safe. Hope you like this video. If you do, smash that like button. If you're not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and ring that little notification bell so you don't miss anything. I'll see you on the next video.